Hello everyone. If you have a list of names on Microsoft Excel and you are asked to put prefixes like Mr. or Mrs., are you going to start editing it one by one like this? This is going to take a whole lot of your time. So how do you go about it? You just have to highlight the names, and let's assume you have up to 1000 names. Highlighting it like this to go down is time consuming. So another way to highlight easily is to click on Ctrl Shift and arrow key. Can you see it has highlighted everything? Now click on Ctrl A to open this dialog box and go to custom. You see where you are seeing general here. Type the hash, open a quotation mark and put Mr. Then another quotation, then at. Can you see that? Hash, quotation mark, the Mr., and then hash again, at. Then you click on OK. Sorry, please. Sorry, let's remove this hash here. I think that's the problem. So it's going to be quotation mark Mr., then hash, at. Then you click OK. So can you see that everything is now having Mr. But looking at the names very well, we can see Jennifer, that is a Mrs. We can see Linda, that is a Mrs. We can see Mrs. there, but we have given everything Mr. So how do we go about that? Let's do that somewhere else. Now let's see. For you to have Mr. separate and Mrs. separate, you have to indicate their gender in column B. In column A we have the names. In column B we have the gender specified for each name. And so in column C we are going to use a formula that we put either Mr. or Mrs. in front of their names. Okay, so how do we do that? Let's type in the formula. If B3 here is the gender. If B3 is male, then Mr. should be in front of the name. And if A3 should be Mrs. if the gender is female. Is that okay? So we are going to hit enter. Can you see? Then you drag down. So these are specified whether the person is Mr. or Mrs. There are no issues again. You can use the same thing for doctor, for chief, you know, if you don't want to use Mr. Mrs. So where you have Mr., you will just put let's say this place now. This person is a doctor. I want to put D there. Okay. Or yeah, I want to put Chief Mrs. Let's put this one as maybe Prof. Okay, then we hit enter. Can you see? Dr. John Smith. So let's see for the second person. If the person is a prof, this person is a prof. All right, so that's how to go about that. Follow me for more Excel tips like this.